Well guys, here we go. These are our 3-inch drop control arms from DJM suspension for the turbo Yukon drag and drive truck. We're super pumped on these guys right here. This is really going to help get the front end dialed in. It's been sitting a little high, and regardless of not having the motor in there, it's sitting too high because those coilovers are really stiff, and they're not going to drop much more at all. This box is packaged up real nice. Definitely not going nowhere. Yeah, this is really good. Get these bad boys out of here.